Hi, this is Joshua. You are now watching The Idea Mobile. Today, Realme Malaysia has announced a new smartphone, the Realme 3. The Realme 3 is the successor of the Realme 2, and we were fortunate enough to get our hands on a unit of the Realme 3. So I'll be doing a quick unboxing to show you guys what's inside, and a comprehensive review will be on our website at theideamobile.com. The link will be in the description below. So let's do the unboxing now. This is the box of the Realme 3. Let's unwrap the plastic cover. The variants that I gotten is the 4GB plus 64GB dynamic black. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First is the white box contain SIM injector tools, some documents, and a TPU case. Here's the device. Let's put it aside and see what's more for us. This is a 10-watt power brick, a micro USB cable. Let's remove the plastic. And also this. The real color gradients look pretty unique with sky stud twinkling star. The front is a 6.2-inch HD Plus resolution display with a water drop mount that houses 30-megapixel selfie cameras. The back is a real camera, consists of a 30-megapixel f1.8 plus a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and the fingerprint scanner mounted in the center. On the left side is the volume rocker button and a triple tray slot for dual SIM and a micro SD card, whereas the right side is the power button. At the bottom is a speaker, micro USB port, microphone and audio jack. Let's check out the specs. The Oppo F11 Pro is powered by MediaTek Helio P60, up to 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It has a 4230mAh battery and runs on the latest ColorOS 6.0. The Realme 3 is available now for RM599 for 3GB variants and RM699 for 4GB variants. So, what do you think about the Realme 3? Does it look beautiful? Do share your comment down below. Do consider to subscribe to our YouTube channels and follow us at The Idea Mobile on Facebook and Instagram. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.